afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. It's Friday. The market is down. It's looking pretty ugly. We have gap down, but we're here. We're ready. We're going to give it our best shot. Let's get some music rolling for the day. Got something big to announce for you guys this morning. Something important, something cool I'm able to share with you guys. Hopefully you guys can take advantage of it. It's honestly a pretty big deal. What's up, AC, Broda, Boba, Discipline, Snacks, Mike? How's it going, guys? Okay, hold on 1 second.
RDFN.
Announcement. Brad will prop market for America. I wish, man. We'll let everybody trickle in and then I'll start talking about it.
4.
How you guys doing? Having a good morning? Taking any trades?
DHT. CVAC.
Decent week already, so no rush. That's good to hear. It's great to hear, actually. So last night, I had an update I saw for OBS. So I went ahead and did it. And when I updated it, it completely stopped some of my scene switchers, which is like little timers and automatic things that happen that keeps the stream running smooth. So I had to revert back to the old edition, and when I did that, it erased all the settings anyways. So I had to redo everything. So something may be clunky this morning. We'll see.
FNGU.
AC traded lithium on the pop. SONX popped earlier, didn't take it. Not much else. Okay, 2% on SONX. Okay, nice. Nice. Camera's looking extra crispy today.
Abridged.
Oh, man. We got quite a few people in here now. Market looks very dead. The overall market. Very dead. Alright, let me make this tweet and then we'll talk about it.
CIM.
Potentially 350 if we don't hold this 370 level. So, the announcement is I'm happy to be able to make this announcement with TrendSpider. So TrendSpider, a couple things to announce. TrendSpider, as you guys know, that's a charting program I pull up, similar to TradingView. They're TradingView's competitor. Have a lot of cool things. They got the raindrop charts. They got all this other stuff. TrendSpider now has live futures data. So that makes them a really true competitor to TradingView. So they announced that they have the live futures data coming, which is live on the platform now. So that's huge for the futures guys to be able to have another platform with live futures data. But at the same time, to celebrate or to commemorate, or however you want to say it, the new futures data, they are having a 7-day free plus 50% off sale. So you get not only 50% off the platform, but you get 50% off of the futures data subscription as well. And this is good for up to 2 years. So if you go monthly and you lock in this rate and you take this sale right now, that sale is locked in for 2 years. And I've never seen any organization, any platform, anybody do a sale that's locked in half off for 2 years. So that's the big deal. TrendSpider is running right now over the weekend. So let me put this in the chat. Usually it's, 25% off for trade ideas or XYZ% off. I think the futures data is $8, and the 50% off is 50% off the futures data too. So it would be $4 a month for futures data.
ATXI.
We'll go to the pricing in just a second.
GT.
Where'd the music go? Oh, there we go. I feel like that song always does that. It's like the end of it's very slow. So let's see where the futures data is. So normally, and this pulls up the 50% off sale. Normally, the premium, $33 a month, $16.50 a month. You lock that in for 2 years. If you want to do yearly, you could, and you would get 2 years. So you buy your first year like this, it would lock in the second year like this. Same thing with Elite. Usually $65 a month, goes down to $32.50 a month, locked in for 2 years. Advanced, usually $97, locked in for $48.50 a month. I'm trying to see, let's see what the partner brokers are. So all these are partner brokers. So if you have Trade Zero, you can link that together and I think make trades through Trade Zero. They got a couple more coming through. Centerpoint, I know there's a big shorting one. I'm not sure exactly where you add the futures data. Let me click on this. No, but I'm pretty sure it's $8. I'm gonna go double check with the TrendSpider guy I was talking to last night. But I'm almost positive. Okay, yeah, I'm almost positive. I'll double check for you guys, but I'm almost positive that it's $8 for the futures data, and let's go into here. Let's see if I can find the futures. Because I know I saw it as soon as I pulled up TrendSpider this morning. The futures data is now here, so they have ES. NASDAQ, all that other stuff is live on the platform now. Staying away from trading today, that's probably pretty smart.
CRF.
But honestly, this is a monster sale. I've never seen anybody lock in half off, and you can lock that in for literally 2 years. Here's the hold on. do that.
ASTS INVZ
Yeah, there we go.
JMIA.
So maybe you add the futures data on once you actually sign up for the platform. So you sign up for the platform, add your futures data, and I think during this sale automatically is 50% off of that. I'll let you know when I hear back from TrendSpider. Yeah, they just made a tweet about it too. In partnership with CME, real-time data from CME, CBOT, NYMEX, and COMEX listed futures contracts are now available on TrendSpider. 50% off TrendSpider and 50% off on real-time futures data this weekend only. Pretty huge, pretty huge. And I thank TrendSpider for allowing me to make this announcement for them, now allowing us to have kind of our landing page here. And it's honestly, that's a big sale. If you're looking for any kind of charting service, if you're looking for futures data for cheap. If you're a futures trader, you don't even have to be a futures trader, but you guys know, I pull up TrendSpider every now and again. They've got really cool platform. They got the volume profile. They've got the raindrop charts. They got news. You got scanners, etc., etc., etc. And you can lock all this in for half off for literally 2 years, which is crazy. It's honestly crazy. Get an X off of some of this stuff. Yeah, 2 years, 50% off. I don't think I've ever heard of anybody making a sale like that. Usually it's, whatever subscription you buy. Either you buy your year and you get 50% off, or you buy your month and you get 50% off. Not you sign up and get 50% off that first month, and it keeps giving you that rate for literally 2 years. And they said you can cancel early, so it's not like you're locked in for 2 years, but you do have that rate locked in.
ALPP. MSOS, LPSN.
So yeah, we don't really have anything going on with the market right now. So this is a perfect opportunity to be able to announce this for TrendSpider. Take advantage of this over the weekend. I'm gonna put this in the future floor too, Broda.
KULR.
once again, I appreciate TrendSpotter for allowing me to announce this for them. Hopefully you guys can take advantage of this big deal by them over this weekend and lock in your cheap rate. All right, so what do we got for gainers? 43% gainer this morning. Hey, Andy. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Welcome in. So this is our top gainer, SONX. Not really a whole lot happening with it. It had 5, 10, 15, about 20 minutes of running, then started wicking out, dipped, had an 8 a.m. candle here, and then has just completely faded. So that's our top gainer. Tops had a reverse split this morning. Says it's up 36%. I guess maybe it's up 36% from the bottom here.
FACA.
Like I gotta sneeze. Oh my god. All right, what are we looking at? What can we even possibly trade today? Appreciate you guys hanging out. It's a slow day, looks like, overall, market-wise, as expected. But appreciate you guys showing up here for this big announcement this morning that I'm able to make on behalf of TrendSpotter. So Tops is already trying to fade. SONX, yep. So a little bit of bounce there. Kind of floating in midair. Let's look at the one. Yeah, I mean, what is this? Let me go see what our news is on it at least.
SWN.
$63 million offering. That's what I'm seeing. Private placement, obviously, but common stock at a purchase price of 95 cents. Am I looking at the right thing? Purchase 43 million shares at 95 cents per share. I guess it's for institutional and investors though, so maybe people seeing that as, you know, if these guys want in, then something big is happening, maybe. But I think it's Bank of America Securities, so Bank of America involved too, so maybe that's why we're up this morning. But kind of weird that this is their top gainer, I guess. Now we got to get Broder to switch over to TrendSpotter. I know he loves his trading view, but how can you beat 50% off for 2 years? Plus your futures data. So Ruby is our third. Yeah, for real. Ruby is our third top gainer today.
NXE. U. RKT.
Yeah, I feel you on that. I feel you on that. Usually it's a quick, make a quick penny for them.
SBEB.
Yeah, unless it's like a float lock situation
PRPL.
and it just gets run up like crazy. But usually, they'll buy in, get their couple cents, and get out. But a couple cents on, buying millions of dollars is a lot of money, Yeah, for real. Yeah. When you make 20 cents on a stock and you're making millions of dollars, you made it. Good job. Congratulations. Goals. Yeah. Imagine, okay, this is snacks in 10 years. You got a $10 million account and you're scalping these freaking penny stocks and you're making, you got to go the heavy ones. You got to go to like SNDL and all the nasty heavy ones. But you're making freaking
UEC.
50 grand a scalp, or more. Hopefully that's where you're at, buddy. Just throwing in milli bids over and over and over again on these freaking pennies.
ATXI.
Yeah, I don't know. I know that what was his name? Gosh, so long ago. One of the lead guys from United Traders back in the day when United was big. I think he used to work with a market maker, or maybe he worked as a market maker. But he had all these interesting like ways to view the market because he was because of the experience he had. But honestly, that seems like the path that you're headed down. Like, become a freaking penny stock, small cap market maker. And if that's your ultimate goal, then just go for it, man. Just do whatever you got to do. I'm sure you got to take the series, whatever, 7, I think that's what it's called. And get your ability to do whatever else, but that'd be cool.
SLCRW.
Did he even mention, like, how do you even get into that space? Like, who are you working for? Are you working for NASDAQ and NYSE at that point? Like, are you working for a hedge fund? Like an institution that owns that company? Because I honestly don't know the full ins and outs of, like, what it is. I need to start doing, like, guest Fridays or something, and Friday mornings when it's slow, like, have people on like that would give great insight. Like, I don't want to be like a I don't know, like a news host or somebody that's interviewing all the time, but to have somebody on with some insight, such as a market maker or somebody that works for the exchanges or whatever else. That'd be very cool.
DHT.
Yeah, I feel like, yeah, you've almost got like an auto market maker nowadays with algos. Why pay someone or, have human error into, potential trading when you can just program a computer to do exactly what you're trying to do. If you're trying to hold it down, then, hold it down. All right, here's 8:30 news. Hold on.
NAOB.
MDGS record first half 2022 financial results. There's like no bid. What the hell? He said they're mainly looking for people with backgrounds in data. So they're looking for like. So when you're saying data, are you talking like finance data or like computer data? Like people can read a balance sheet or read, XYZ. I'm guessing that. I would imagine it's that.
Tops.
Computer, okay.
TENX. Com.
Interesting. So they're looking like to teach it backwards almost. Give us computer wizards, give us math guys, and then like train their brain into finance. Yeah, instead of like somebody finance related to get them to learn the computer side. Interesting.
ADN.
We need some like more upbeat music this morning. I wanna.
NVTA. FTCH.
Here we go.
ATXI. CRF.
You seeing what my quant looks like? Yeah. Sorry, I still got a cough, guys. I can't get rid of it. Hashtag COVID cough.
NBGG. DBGI.
Is anything at all gonna pop today? This is moving. I mean, we got a 8-cent move here in the last 15 minutes.
DLCN.
Appreciate everybody hanging out this morning. We got quite a few people here for a Friday morning. Yeah, Berkey, my God. Appreciate my members from the inner circle, all the support of the channel, as always.
DHT. LITN.
Lithium's up. Interesting. That's not news. Yes, it did. The headline sounds fantastic. Snow. Okay, cool. I don't think you guys are able to post links, but I can post it right here. If anybody's interested in that.
Sale.
Not to lead you astray from my stream, but maybe for later. But Snow Lake Lithium and LG Energy Solution collaborate to establish lithium supply chain in North America. Like the headline itself, that sounds good. Tops just got murdered. I saw Tops was going down. Yeah, Tops. Oh my God, 4 to 230. Yeah, I got you. I appreciate that. Maybe they can watch it when we're done.
Momo. Oh. WBD. Open. Yeah.
You know what? I think we're gonna get in some Wordle right now. Man, I forgot about this freaking ad. Get your ad off my freaking screen. What's my worst red month in terms of P&L my trading career? Last April, I think it was April. I lost $325,000.
CLSK.
And that's the worst by far. So when I say last April, I mean April of 2021. In 1 month. Yep. I had a couple $75,000 red days in 1 month. 1 month. Yeah, 1 month. Yeah, it was horrendous. The market went from being very hot and consistent to garbage. Straight garbage. And it was, you know, we still were getting volume and things were still kind of following through a little bit. But that's when the 2021 candle was introduced. That's when the fake out breakouts were introduced. And I had a large account at the time too. I think my account was like at 900K or something at the time. And it was just a really, really bad month. March was okay. April was absolutely horrendous. Like horrendous. Everything was failing. It made it almost look like they were good breakouts and good patterns, but that was the best green month. I think January of 2021, I made like 500 something K, 500 and something K. But now, I mean, I'm barely making $100 a day, if I'm lucky. Like a good day right now is $500 because the market is just so freaking bad. Yeah, I was already up a lot by that April when I lost the 325 on the year. I appreciate that discipline. Appreciate it. Yeah, I think that was my highs. I don't think I've made that 325 back since then, which is unfortunate. Very unfortunate. But the market has just been, you know, inconsistent. Just bad. Just really, 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 really bad. All right, let's look. Let's see what we got. We're gonna start out today.
SILJ.
Some kind of market make pennies. Yeah. All right. We're gonna start out. We're talking about market makers, so let's just maker. Horrendous. Horrendous word.
OIS. AUMN. CLF.
Oh my gosh.
ATXI.
So it's probably like an RE.
XPEV.
That's not a word, right?
SBSW.
Okay. I don't even know plur. I didn't even know that was a word. I was just giving it a shot with the RE at the end. Okay, so now, I guess it's like, is it, no.
AG.
That's not a word, is it? No. Blorb. That'll be the word of the day is blorb.
IQ.
It's gotta be F, right? F. I guess it could be glory. Glory? Got it. I was thinking too hard about the F. Yeah, I don't like this ad up here. I need it to go away. I need some ad-free Wordle in my life. Back to the non-New York Times. But I mean, they were being smart with it. Yeah, I was really hoping it was going to be florb. Or blorb. What's up, Jesus? Good morning. Welcome in. Yeah, blorb or florb would have been great. Busy week. So, busy week for you at work has saved you from a slow and, dead week in the market. So,
DFEN.
guess that's a good thing.
SPC. LBRT. U.
Man, look at tops. Look at tops. Race back to $1.
OILD.
This was at $4 just a second ago. Or, 20 minutes ago.
OXLC.
I forgot that TrendSpider has unusual options too. So not only do they have unusual options, they got the raindrop charts, they got scanners. You can link your broker if you had like Trade Zero and a couple of different ones. Auto trend, auto fib,
DNA.
futures data, raindrops. Pretty cool. I'm excited that they are having such an awesome sale.
ADN. CLNE.
Took him SPRO on the overnight, sold at 4 a.m. Oh yeah, that was yesterday's runner, right?
Top.
I hope the market bounces today. I really do.
LAZR. UEC. PBR. Mara. CRSR.
No, actually, I'm gonna move that over here. Just for today.
Combo.
Average 208. Heading out for morning coffee. Yeah. Catch you later. Have a good weekend. So you got 208, you said? Man, you're getting really, really good at getting these entries, Jesus. You really are. And you got the patience for it too. And I think, you know, having the job and having like a distraction from needing to look at the market every freaking second is helping you a lot too. Because you can be patient with these, you know, get your weekly entry, get your bottom in, support level entries, and then just be able to ride it because you kind of got something else going on besides just the market every time. That's incredible. 208 right there.
PSEC. DHT.
I'm excited to be able to have futures data.
Left.
I always just look at SPY and I look at, you know, USO and QQQ, but be able to have the actual, you know, futures that are trading. It'll be cool. I just got them to set up, gotta get the rest of my account set up for futures data. It's gonna be cool. Probably pull it up on Monday. Gonna have CL, gonna have NASDAQ.
EN.
Yes. Haven't worked in a while trading journey. Yeah. I'm saying the same thing at this point. It's better work. There's better work in the next, you know, few months. I can't sustain, you know, what I'm currently doing. Trying to support a family on this trash. It'd be different if I was just doing this on the side or just starting to get into it in this market or trying to grow my account, but I'm trying to support my family, and this is garbage. Just straight garbage. And I feel like, you know, people talk about a bear market and it's like, oh, you think of bears, that means you got to short everything. Everything's got to be short. But I think bear market means, you know, go into hibernation. Don't even freaking try to trade because you're going to get faked out on both sides. You're going to get screwed either way. Bear market means, you know, go away, go hide, not short. You get your long-term opportunities here, though. Like SPY, I know it's not over 400 anymore. I know we're going down, but this is gonna be that buying opportunity within, you know, could it be today? Could today be the bottom in for, you know, forever? Could this be the lowest SPY ever goes again? Who knows? But this is the buying opportunity for people trying to get their long-term set up. It sucks for the people that are, you know, 60, 65 trying to retire right now and they've literally lost, you know, XYZ. Hopefully they had been transitioned down to less risky things by this point. That's how your retirement's supposed to be set up, you know. More risk early, low risk late.
NFC. CLS.
Less liquidity. Yep. You gotta be super precise. You gotta sell almost immediately. The liquidity's down, the volume's down. It's not good. It's not good at all.
RDFN. SBSW. DNA.
Not too good at all. Yeah. Even last year, like last year was pretty bad. Not this bad.
FTCH.
But last year early was good, but the rest of the year was kind of bad. And October, November had a really good months. So I'm just trying to survive, man. Just trying to make it. Sim says it's now dollar cost average time on SPY. Commodities are a gift at this price right now. Dollar will have 140 for too long. Yep.
DSS.
Just need to
SWN.
I just want to be consistent, man. I have some good days, and you guys saw, I mean, I think end of August, I was having some big days. I mean, I posted, 3, 4, 5K days, just like back in when, 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, early 21, what I was making, like consistent, when the switch is even halfway on. It can be a dimmer switch. Just turn it on and just turn it up just a little bit. Give us a little volume. Let technical analysis play out and let price action play out. That's all we need. But instead, you got to look at the 2,000-minute chart and the 17-hour resistance. Watch for fake out breakouts. Watch for trap candles. Watch for fake breakdowns. Look at the 38% fibs. Like, just, let the patterns. If it's going to go up, let it go up. If it's going to go down, let it go down. There's no need to wick around, fake out up, fake out down, liquidity trap. Like, it's disgusting. It's disgusting. Yes, Dozer, I gave you the shout out for the fibs, baby. That worked really good for you, actually, 2 or 3 times yesterday. Good to see you in here, buddy.
LC. TIGR. HIBS.
You increased your risk. Well, I mean, with things bouncing from the XYZ demand zone and yada yada, I feel like things are eventually going to the place that you're looking for, but it has to, and I always mention it, it used to be like an A to B move. You go from the bottom of the pattern to the top, or you break out the pattern and you break out. But now it's from A to Z. You got to go A, B, C, all the way through the damn alphabet to get your move to the price you're looking for. So you got to buy, you got to hold, and you got to hope. Yeah, if you can find anything that gives you some confidence and that gives you, even an edge, anything that's consistently working right now, which nothing, I feel like you get, okay, so XYZ demand zone is working today, but tomorrow XYZ demand zone gets absolutely shit on. And then the next week it's, things are, hitting their 50 SMA or just whatever. I'm just making stuff up off the top of my head. They're bouncing off the 20 EMA today. And then the next day, you're like, okay, I guess things are trying to bounce. A little volume off 20 EMA. This happened yesterday. This happened the day before. And then they just change it. Change it. Change the algos. Algos are set to buy the breakout. Algos are set to sell the breakout.
ATX.
Algos are set short before the breakout.
MTGS.
Like this thing yesterday went down to what I would personally consider no man's land. It was that fib that you were talking about. The demand zone is down here, 175. It ended on an ugly candle on the 5. The next one just happened to go, fill it right back up. And then it got back above VWAP and started flagging and breaking out. But it's just, and the thing is, we'll see something today that is like, okay, this kind of looks similar to SPRO yesterday. It's down below VWAP, it's hanging out, and we'll try it here, and then it'll fall off a cliff. It'll halt down. It'll freaking tap VWAP and just die. So the inconsistency is the problem. We can find patterns, but then they change them immediately, and they'll change it to something else. Like this one is, bounce from the black zone of the chart, no man's land, get back to VWAP, and you would think, okay, went under VWAP, it's going to test VWAP and reject. This time, just melted straight through it. Melted straight up, and then it started getting its flag breaks here. So flag break, flag break. This is a rising wedge, flag break somehow. This is more of a flag right here. So this is more of a picture perfect flag when you fade down. Usually the ones that fade up like this are the ones that fail. But
EGY. FRLN.
patterns definitely don't work anymore. Especially breakout patterns like wedges, flags, like they'll work 1 out of 10 times. And I think this was one of the 1 out of 10s.
DGLY. IMUV.
This is their top gainer now in AOV. Mara got a downgrade this morning.
SPC. A. Pets. AGI. Pop. UROY. SBSW.
Bitcoin this morning, and TrendSpider, let me get this back behind this. They have the volume shelf, and it's pretty cool looking at Bitcoin even that you see in these different levels. That the volume comes through, whether you're on the 5 or the 15 or the 30-minute chart. But Bitcoin's down to 18,890. Like, I don't know how much this has really got left in it. Like, are we just gonna fade? Like, Bitcoin looks really bad. Really, really bad. The daily, the weekly, like, it's holding on to the weekly by a freaking thread. But, I mean, you got this level right here that it's trying to hold This weekly level from back here has been the bottom end, but this looks like an H pattern to me. It's not perfect, but it's an H pattern. So Bitcoin, I don't know. And it'll probably bounce whenever the market bounces, you know. But
CPG.
what can you really do? Yeah, under 10K, because I mean, it's still a big thing. Like, a lot of places are accepting Bitcoin. People are getting paid in Bitcoin, but all right, here's the 9 a.m. news. Nothing. Okay. ATXI. Yes, reverse split. I think there's like 3 reverse splits today. So ATXI's reverse split.
USOI. AKLB.
They ran it in after hours and tried to spike it this morning, but it's down a lot. SLNG, T2 plus inside bar, 3-day. Okay, let's look. Oh yeah, I remember this one. Yep. So today it's a T2 for SLNG. And that's more of a pretty one too. You know, this didn't go above the day 1 highs. Didn't even go above the day 1 close. So yeah, that'll be a watch today for sure. Yeah, Snacks, I feel you.
PSNY. EDAP.
You guys do anything fun this weekend?
MBGS. NAOB.
Yeah, this thing's holding.
AAOI. PAGP. CLNE. LAB. WTI. LPSN. OB. WBD, UROY. BIAF. PL.
Order pizza count. Oh, baptism for Jackie's cousin. Okay, nice. I'm not really doing anything either, I don't think. Can't remember. Watching football on Sunday, you know, that's always fun. It's always a good time. Tomorrow, though, I don't know what we're doing. I can't think of anything specific.
G. JZ.
Is anything green today? Like besides what I'm looking at right here? Like Bitcoin's red, Russell's red, marijuana's red, SPY's red, oil's red, wheat's red, natural gas is red.
AM. LBRT.
Ordering pizza counts as fun, absolutely. I didn't even think about it, but the other day was the last day of summer. We're in the fall now. Watching soccer, okay? That's something I've never really watched much of, soccer. The football.
FWBI. USOI. AAL. 2. HBN.
I can't believe this is their top gainer. I really can't.
OIS.
Today it's in the 50s.
Increased.
Yeah, I think it's cooler here too. Yeah, it's 54 right now. It was 48. Oh my gosh. Tomorrow, or today's only a high of 67. Tomorrow 72, Sunday 74. So, uh-oh. The warm weather's gone. I don't even see any more 80s left. All right, see you, Berkey. Have a good one.
OILD. TTI. OB.
Still warm in Texas, I guarantee it. Still warm in Florida too, I'm sure. Yeah, you won't see 50s until the middle of winter, will you? Yeah, for real. Me too.
WTER.
Yeah, sell my house here and buy one of the same size for, you know, $250,000 cheaper.
CIFR.
Ooh, what happened? Oh no. Some of the guys were swinging that. 8K out. That's why it ran so hard over the past couple days.
WKHS. OXLC.
What is this? Solid discloses it has not received any termination letter or the like from any government agency regarding confidential requests for corporate information.
RKLB.
What? Why would it drop $10 over that?
TME.
Why would it drop $10 over that? What the heck?
COS. BIAF. NXE. LPSN.
Yeah, slow and steady over here.
ET. Nine. PSNY.
Yeah, I don't understand why Sava has that much of a drop. Like, that doesn't sound bad. It doesn't sound good. They're just updating
ITM.
if they haven't received anything.
SJ. Indo. RBLB. SJT. 2.
SONX sitting on the 20 on the 5, but it's already kind of bounced from it over the past 10 minutes, and it couldn't push up to even VWAP, so we'll see. Low 120 is a weekly. Yeah, let's see if it gets down to that level. Kind of already bounced from it around 8 o'clock. Yeah, I did. It's kind of just chilling right here. We'll see what happens with it. LITM getting a little volume through VWAP.
EGHT, ATXI, NNOX. LITM.
Nice little pop there. It's kind of flagging under VWAP. It broke through. Surprised. Decent volume there on LITM. I knew something had to pop. SONX doesn't look terrible here. It's not really moving, but you know, it's over the 20 MA. If it could push back towards VWAP, it'd be great, but man, LITM is actually getting some good action here. Process of elimination, I guess. Chart looked a little weird, but I mean, trading this flag, I guess, was the play. All right, I'm gonna take a quick break. Go feed the dogs. Go say hi to the baby and my wife, and I'll be back.
Rent. LTRY. OILD, ENLC, MGAM. SUZ. VIPs. SJ. IRN. PR. UPWK. SIDU. Lev. Casa. SJT.
All right. Got about 8 minutes to the bell. Really don't have anything to even watch, really. Lithium and SONX and SPRO. ATX size getting pushed, it looks like.
PSNY.
I think they overnighted it through the split, and it's way down. Yep. Yeah, that's the 3 to watch. Which one's gonna get a 40-cent candle at open, though, JD, is the question. Just like whatever that was yesterday you were in.
ATXI. BCAB.
Yeah, I agree to that, because the LITM's already up. Yesterday, I can't remember what it was, and it kind of faded off afterwards, but you were in it, and it popped from like 190 to, or 180 to 220, like right out the gate.
AGRX. ATXI.
Beat, yeah, beat. Beat didn't have any news or anything. It was crazy. It was a great job. Just sitting there, and then popped from 182 to 225.
SIDU. LPSN. PBR. Chris. LITM.
ONX pulling back to this 120 level again, this low 120. Question is, though, is it going to bounce again? Kind of already did it once. Ooh.
DSX. ADN.
Yeah. If I could be done by 9:45, I would love it.
EV.
Sometimes you got to hold through open or buy like instantaneously to open, though.
TK. NNDM.
Spy back above 370.
CRSR. OIS. USOI. SJ. BLDP.
PTN just had a S3A. That's not good. Means they're about to offer, I think.
UROY. PHX. VXRT. GT. CLNE, AMPL. EVGO.
Alright, let's switch over to the intraday scan. One second, I gotta look the logs in. Hey, morning for Nerfing. Yeah, appreciate you guys for all the likes. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for commenting. As always, here we go.
TRT. Duck. SRS. Ruby. BALD. HHGC. ISPC. SCO. EPV. EVTL. MITQ.
100K ask on SONX.
MDGS.
SPRO kind of fading down to 220 here. Under 220.
GGT. Maya. ASPS. ISPC. Doug. NAOB. Drib.
SONX not really doing anything. SPRO little bounce. 225 now. Yeah, SPRO looks okay. I took a little stab at it. 219. Got a profit stop in. I'm sure they'll come down and hit it.
CYA. CO.
SLNG. Yeah, SLNG is that T2 today. Let's see if SPRO, if that was all it had in it. Looks like it. Gonna come down and get me. I'm gonna make $15 if I don't get slippage. Oh, maybe not. Okay. Got a hive day. Here we go. 230. If we can pop 230, I'm gonna take a quarter off. 53K bidder here. That's decent. You want to see him hold?
ABCT SPOK WAVD.
Okay, there we go. So I take my quarter off here. SLNG at 8 here. 812. See if it can pop through. Nope. Couldn't do it.
OILD drip CNEY Ruby ABMN Dust.
So this thing's still trying to push up a little bit. It's showing a little resistance at VWAP, but that's it. Take another half off or another quarter off there. Maybe risk 225.
MZZ CLPR
SLNG had a little bit, tiny shares at 8. And then I put a 794 stop and it popped up to 812 and it hit 794 and actually stopped me at 783. So got a nice slippage there. So, and then I stopped out of this as well. So this thing's fading.
EVTL
Did ATXI halt down? Or no? It did. Halted down. Ooh. That's ugly. SONX off a cliff. SPRO back down to 220.
Rack Plus NAOB SKM HHGC Driv BNKD
LITM straight down. Market straight down. SPRO straight down. SONX straight down. Looking like a day. Looking like a 2022 day, baby. Yeah, SPY looks horrendous. Those 2008 goons are going to be right in the long run, aren't they? Following that exact pattern for whatever reason.
GDXD BZQ
I don't know why NAOV's up. Top gainer 34%. Big money.
MDGS KRBP
Yeah, the SPY looks pretty scary right now.
CDRC CANF KRBP
Yeah, it's coming down to that level right now, I do.
ATXI, SCK, SKF, CYCN, HHGC, MDGS, EPD.
Still watching SLNG to pop. Needs to get over 8 and confirm. It's holding 750 so far. Still a T2. SLNG, still a T2. This thing's trying to hold 220, SPRO.
SMN, ABCT, ASGI, AIHS, NEPT.
I think SPRO float was very low too. Oh no, 20, no, not SPRO, SLNG. Yeah, 2 million float.
DFFN,
T2 today. Just needs to hold that 750 level, I think. I don't think it can go under that. Look at the poor market.
DSS, STRR, HHGCR, GIPR, SCFD, BZQ, CTOS, ABCT, Cold,
Man, I don't know if anything's gonna go higher with the market down like this.
LITM, HHGCW, DRIB, ALGS,
Lithium getting a little bit of pop here. Had a death candle down under 260 and bounced.
QLGN,
Yeah, LITM trying to hammer. Went down under 260, but trying to hammer up now.
HHGCW, DRIB, MZZ, LDI.
Sheesh. Market's trying to hold pre-market lows. Come on, SLNG, just pop.
QTEK,
Yeah, ouch everywhere is right.
TSLS, GAMB, TMDI.
Okay, market trying to hold 369.
QLGN.
I don't see anything. I don't see anything.
Drib.
Lithium had a little bit of a bounce, but that's it. Yeah, what's KRBP even popping for? What the heck's going on there? 150%? What the heck? No idea. One candle from 30 to 57. Okay, market going lower now.
XTNT.
Little hammer there from Lowe's on the SPY.
Drib. AVCT.
There's a little bounce on SPY. They keep buying up the bottom here. See if they keep shorting the top though.
ATHX. PYN. LITM. HHGCW. AMTI. RDW plus.
Well, guys, today is just that day. Nothing. Looks good.
Kano plus. LITM.
Lithium's still trying to push up a little, but no real power behind it.
BZQ.
What are you thinking, Broda? We gonna fall off a cliff here on SPY, or is it gonna hold this bottom in? Not looking too hot.
SCK ATHX ATHX TRBN ATHX
Touch VWAP there.
ATHX
Getting sold off a little bit though. See what happens at the end of this 5-minute candle on SPY. All right, see you, Mike. Yeah, I'm about to call it soon too, to be honest with you. I'll probably be done for the day at 10. Did we ever figure out why this thing's even popping?
GDXD EBET EEV SCK
Yes, work has saved you, buddy.
LITM RWM
Lithium trying to push through highs here.
CYA ELOX
Okay, RBP straight up, straight down.
EVTL. PPTA.
See if lithium can get a bounce here.
EVTL. KCGI Plus.
Nope, straight up, straight down as well. All right, I think I'm done taking trades today.
PBTS.
Absolutely freaking nothing. Market, just go halt down. Just get it over with. Rip the freaking Band-Aid off and kill it. I'm sick of all the games.
ISPC.
All the people that have been playing Spy their whole life, though, and staring at this freaking chart every single day, all day long, are probably doing pretty good right now, though. But that just ain't me. I will be one that always, always, always hates Spy. SPRO doing a little no man's land. Same thing as yesterday. Down to just absolutely nowhere and curling. Pre-market low, 214. Now up to 235. Guess I should have kept my eyes on it considering yesterday it bounced from nowhere.
CREG, TDCX, SQFTW, IMT, ENLB, TRIB, EVTL, TOMZ, Psi.
Yeah, SPRO went to pre-market lows and into highs. That thing just bounces wherever the heck it wants to bounce. Makes it look as bad as possible and then bounces it. It's pretty crazy.
CYA.
Pretty crazy.
PZG. EVTL. EVTL. AVCT.
AVCT high of day, whatever reason.
AVCT. DATS. CCSO. SBB. SNGX.
So you took it on the waterfall down here?
BZQ.
Nice. Or did you take it after it started turning? Because I was playing it, I think right here, and it just got wrecked on. Went down to, I mean, I guess this level again, 215.
EVTL. BKYI. EVTL. 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 NAOB. NAOB. NLTX. IPA. REAX. KLXE.
Market, a little bit of a bounce at the bottom again, but I think it's just going to fade all day. It looks like a trend down. Nasty, nasty, nasty day.
AVCT. EVTL. EVTL. EVTL.
EVTL straight up today for some reason. Like literally straight up. It's going into the vertical aerospace like its name mentions.
GDXD.
Looks like a freaking rocket launch here.
EDZ. EVTL plus. DBGI.
Yeah. Well, I guess that's good. That works out for you. Because we ain't doing anything else today.
Alta. Frequency. Airs.
ATHX trying to have a balanced day today, it looks like.
SKF. ANIX. SLGL. GDXD. HYMCL. HYMCL.
Looks like they're walking that one down too now.
CO.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for me for the day, for the week. Thanks for everybody that tuned in this week. Thanks for all the likes, all the comments. Be sure to check out the Trend Spider sale over the weekend. 50% off. They have futures data now. You got that 50% off sale lock in for 2 years. So you get your rate locked in. Just follow the link. I'm going to put it on the YouTube community section. I got it in the Discord. I got it on my Twitter. Be sure to check that out this weekend if you're looking for a charting program. They're giving TradingView a run for their money. Maybe they're better than TradingView now. Who knows? Considering they have futures data. They're becoming a big competitor of, kind of the leader of the space. So check out the Trend Spider sale over the weekend, 50% off. Lock in your rate for up to 2 years. So check that out. Appreciate you guys showing up. Thanks for all the likes and comments. And I will see you guys on Monday morning, 8 a.m. Peace.